If you recall, I told you that if you dared to oppose me, I would show no mercy. If you intend to deny the future I have envisioned, you'd best be prepared. You needn't hurry. The moment we await is predestined. It makes no difference whether it comes sooner or later.
Please be careful. There's an even greater power than before.
Even as I speak, I can feel it. The end of everything. I pity those who cannot see the blessing it truly is. We are mere mortals. We cannot change our fate. Out of my way! I'll go with. All right.
Should I stand on this enemy?
The moment we await is upon us. I'll go with.
I think I can use it now.
Death to all fools! What to do? Persona. The moment we await is upon us. Impossible. I'll go with. Come! The moment we await is upon us. What to do? Persona. The moment we await is upon us. What? I'll go with. I don't like the look in your eyes. What is it that you see before you now? An admirable spirit. That's right. That's how it should be. The moment we await is upon us. The moment we await is upon us. Persona. The moment we await is upon us. Here we go. Death to all fools! What to do? Orpheus! Death to all fools! The moment we await is upon us. What to do? Persona. Death to all fools! What?
Enemy attack imminent! You need to heal quickly!
I let my guard down. It seems we are destined to be at odds. How can you summon such power even in the face of death? Incorrigible as always. Out of my way!
What to do?
Orpheus! The moment we await is upon us.
I'll go with... Never mind. There!
The moment we await is upon us. Impossible! Orpheus! Death to all fools!
I'll go with...
Orpheus! The moment we await is upon us. Impossible! Come!
Here we go.
I let my guard down. Why? Fate is supposed to have chosen me. This again. Is my resolve still not strong enough? If so, I'll throw away my trivial pride. With my entire being, I will bring you to your knees! Salvation has come! Hypnos!
Everyone has been struck by fear! I have a bad feeling about this!
What to
Please
do?
get up!
All right. Well,
Why can he use theurgy?